Hey guys, how are you? In today's video I want to tell you about the new pet-friendly home security alarm kit from WINEES company. The kit consists of IP camera, motion sensor, siren hub, and 2-door window sensors. As you understand, one of the main features of this system is pet-friendly. It means that the system doesn't react to animals in the house. The price of a WINEES home security system is $77 on official website with free shipping. Okay, I propose you to look at the package, design of each device, installation and usage of this security system. Let's get started! WINEES security system comes in this box. On the front we can see where to install door window sensors, motion sensor, siren hub and camera. On the back there is a quick tutorial how to use the system. First, you need to install security kit, then download the app on smartphone, create account and add a new device. Later I will show you how to connect security kit to mobile app. Inside the box you will see the following: camera, 2-door window sensor, motion sensor and siren hub. There is also user manual and 2 other boxes. The first box has screws and other stuff to install the devices on the wall, power adapter and cable for the camera. In the second box there is another power adapter and cable. By the way, there's one more package under siren hub with screws and adhesive tape. Talking about design, all devices are made in minimalistic style of a white color. To be honest, they remind me of the devices from Xiaomi Smart Home. The window door sensor are very simple. They have battery compartment on the back and LED indicator on the front. There is also information with model name and battery on the right side. Siren hub has 3 LED indicators on the top, such as power, Ethernet connection. The power button is on the right side. By turning the siren hub counterclockwise, you can find micro USB port. It doesn't have built-in battery, so you need to plug the power cable. The motion sensor is wireless. It has a battery on the back. The power button is on the left, and LED indicator is on the front. Finally, the camera. As you can see, it has external antenna for better wireless connection. On the back there is a large speaker. On the top you can find memory card slot and reset button. On the front there is a camera lens, microphone, light sensor and infrared LED. So I think that's all about design. I like that all devices are made of glossy plastic and they look very stylish. Now let's open the official website and look at the main features of the WINEES security system. So the first feature of the WINEES security kit is protection from all aspects: door check, windows check, motion sensor and camera standby. The next feature of this system is pet immune motion sensor. If you often leave your pet at home alone, the motion sensor will not react on it. When a human is detected, you will get notification on smartphone and siren hub will be activated. The siren hub is very loud, 110 decibels. The security system supports voice control, such as Alexa and Google Assistant. You can also read specifications of a motion sensor, camera and siren hub on official website. For example, motion sensor has 80 degrees viewing angle and 10 meters maximum range. The camera has Full HD 1080p resolution, 100 degrees viewing angle, night vision and auto tracking function. The camera also has 340 degrees pan range and 90 degrees tilt range. To get notifications from a WINEES home security system and watch a live video from the camera, you need to install the application on smartphone. The app is called LinkedIn and it is available on Google Play Store and App Store. First, you need to create an account. After that, click on plus icon in the top right corner and choose Security Easy Access Kit. Now you have to turn on all devices from security system, such as hub, door window sensor, motion sensor and camera. Then, just scan QR code on the siren hub and connect to your Wi-Fi network. That's all. Actually, you need to add all devices from security kit the same way. Now let's install all devices and we will see how they work. Finally, let's test the door window sensor. When the door or window is opened, you get a message on smartphone. Motion sensor works the same way. When it detects human, You receive a notification on mobile device. After that, you can open the camera and watch the video what is happening at your home. In the app, you can also create scenes. In Security menu, you can choose the mode of security system: disarm, stay and away. In the settings, you can see and change the exit delay, entry delay, alarm volume, LED mode, alarm duration, etc. By the way, motion sensor, door window sensor and siren hub doesn't have any interesting functions or settings in the app. However, the camera does. In the app, you can see live video from the camera, take a photo, record a video, or rotate the camera, as well as say something. The basic settings has motion settings: switch to standby, link device, speaker volume, no SD card detected, screen rotation, firmware update, and more settings. In the more settings, you can change camera name, turn on/off status LED, choose a room, time zone, and restore factory settings. By the way, one of the most interesting functions of the camera is auto tracking. When the camera detects a human, it automatically tracks a person's movements. Now let's have a look at some videos from the camera. You know, I really like WINEES home security kit. Unfortunately, I don't have a pet right now, so I cannot say does motion sensor really not react on animals. Anyway, motion sensor detects human very well. Also, door windows sensor work properly. The camera has good video quality, two-way communication, night vision, and even auto tracking function. That's very good. I think that WINEES is a really good home security alarm kit. In addition, it has a very good price, only $77. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.